Hey guys, I'm Ayush Wadhwa. I'm a filmmaker and a creative entrepreneur. I and a group of creators at Creators Cosmos have spent the last 12 months or so handcrafting these Lightroom preset packs and video LUTs. This very small investment will not only quicken your color grading and photo editing process, but will also take your Instagram and your photography game, your YouTube game to the very next level. In this particular tutorial, I am going to be teaching you how to import these particular preset packs into the smartphone app of Lightroom, the Lightroom Mobile app, which is available on both iOS and Android. It is a very simple process and you don't need to be experienced at Lightroom to be able to follow through this tutorial. It is a very basic tutorial, and after this, once you have these preset packs into your mobile phone, your color grading game, your photo editing game is going to be fire. Also, before starting the video, I would like to thank all of you for purchasing the preset packs, the photo editing packs, the LUT packs from our shop. If you haven't, go to the link in the bio, check out all the packs that we have to offer. It would mean a lot to me even if you just check them out, because I know once you check them out, the price and the value proposition is crazy. So go to the link in the bio. There's a sale going on. There's a 2020 stay at home sale going on. And if you're watching this video long away from 2020, we might still have a sale going on. And even without a sale, these prices are crisp. So go to the link in the bio and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates, more tutorials, and a lot of giveaways which keep on happening on our YouTube channel and my Instagram page. Okay, this was a lot of talking, but let's get straight right into the tutorial. Alright, so once you purchase and download the file from our shop, this is the zip file that you receive. Now to extract it, you can use a free software in Mac called the Unarchiver, but if you're using a PC, you can use WinRAR or any other software that you might like. So we'll extract it, and you can extract it wherever you want. Once you do, this folder contains 3 items. We'll go to each one of them one by one. So first of all, you receive a thank you card from Creators Cosmos, and if you're watching this video and if you have purchased the pack, thank you so much. And this is a clickable link. You can go to our Instagram page and get more presets, get featured by using the hashtag Creators Cosmos. Anyway, first let's jump to the Lightroom mobile presets. Once you open it, you'll receive these files. Now if you're using an iPhone, you can't really download this file directly into your phone because you can't extract them. So for that, you will have to use a computer. But if you're using an Android phone, you can download the zip file directly to your phone's file manager, and then Android gives you the option to extract that in the phone itself. The idea is you need these files. You need to transfer these files to your iPhone. How do you do that? So in my case, I have a Mac which is AirDrop compatible, so I can just AirDrop them to my phone. I go to share, I go to AirDrop, and then I transfer it to my phone. But if that's not the case with you, if you don't have a Mac and if you're using a Windows PC and an iPhone, what you do is you select all these files, you create a Drive folder. What you do is you go to Drive, you create a new folder. Let's name this Presets. And just upload all of these files here. And then in your iPhone, you can download the Google Drive app and save all of these presets into your camera roll. Now these preset files, which is the .dng file, is compatible in your camera roll, right? So for now, I'm gonna just go and AirDrop these files to my iPhone. Alright, so in your iPhone, when you have these files in your camera roll, you'll receive these blank files, so it won't make sense immediately, but hold on. So open your Lightroom app. First of all, make a new album. Alright, so we'll create an album and we'll name them presets for now. Click OK. Open this album, click on plus and click from your camera roll. Now here you'll see all of these files. Select all of them one by one. Right, once you select them, click on add. It will take some time, but eventually all the files will be added to your album. Okay, now you can see the photos as well as the names of the presets which are written over the photos. This will also give you a rough idea that how your photo will eventually look like if you use any of these presets. So for now, let's choose Friday Blues, for example. So let's say this is the preset which you want to use. You might want to sort of try and use every single preset which is available to see what looks best on what kind of photos. So I'll do that for you. So let's say we want to use Friday Blues. What we'll do is we'll click on these three dots on top right, and we'll select copy settings, and we'll select all of this. Click on this tick icon. That's it. Now select the photo that you want to edit. For that, you go back. Alright, so you can go and edit whatever photo you want to edit. So let's see if I have any photo which we can edit right now. Let's go with this one. So we have copied the settings. So we'll click on these three dots again, and we can just simply click to paste settings. Now we might not like the look, so we can also tap and see the before and after. So let's fix a little bit of things. So whenever you apply a preset to your photo, you will have to change the light settings because every photo is clicked in a different setting, and this was really a fluke. You'll have to see which preset looks best on which type of photo. So we'll adjust the contrast just a little bit, and we'll tweak the highlights, decrease the shadows, and we'll also decrease the exposure because it was correctly exposed. But yeah, this looks good to me. Slightly decreasing the whites, or maybe not. This looks good. Perfect. Okay, so this is the after, this is the before. And now you have this look to it, like a really rustic film-like look to the picture. You can also try and edit other pictures. For example, this one, I can just paste the settings, and right now it looks all blown out, but don't worry, we'll fix the exposure. We'll fix the shadows, and boom, I think it looks great. We can also fix the white balance just a little bit. We'll move it towards the cooler side. But yeah, look at this, and this is just one of the 18 presets available. I love this one. I think this looks great on this particular picture. But then again, you have 17 other presets to try on, and all of them have a unique look, and you will never fall short of presets ever again. So yeah, that's how you import your Lightroom presets into your Lightroom mobile app. You can go back and you can just browse through all the presets which are available. Alright, now I'll show you how to import these Lightroom presets in your desktop app, the Lightroom Classic CC software. How do you do that? You click on the plus icon in the preset tab in the left side of your window. You click this. Also, you might not see this because it just, hides away sometimes. So there will be a small arrow here. You can click on it and you'll see this tab right again. So click on the plus icon, click on import presets, then just go to the place where you have downloaded the file. For me, it's here. And remember, we had two folders, so we accessed the first one. Now it's time to access the second one. So select them, select all of them, click on import, and yes, they will be imported. Alright, so they'll form a new folder over here, and you'll see all these presets. So let's select a photo and try applying these presets. So I'm going to apply Spring Cherry to this one. So we have a nice moody look, but the exposure is slightly wrong. So let's fix that. So we'll increase the exposure ever so little, and I'll also increase the shadows just a tad bit and increase the highlights. And yeah, that's perfect. Let's see the before and after. So this is before and this is after. I love this. I love Spring Cherry on this particular picture. Let's try one more picture. So on this, we have already applied a preset, but we're going to hit reset. And let's see which preset looks the best. I'm really liking the Sunday brunch vibe. It really sort of accentuates the natural color. It gives you a very good saturated and vibrant look. But let's go for summer vibe. I want to go for a very retro warm sort of tone. So here we need to cut down on the exposure just a little bit. So we're going to go to 0.1, and okay, we're not going to decrease the shadows much, or maybe just increase it just a little bit. But yeah, this is so cool. Look at the before and after. This is before, really boring picture, won't look good on your Instagram. This will create and turn heads. This will create the buzz that you want out of your photos, the Instagram account, and the quality is amazing. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any doubts, you can also put them in the comment section down below. Please follow our Creators Cosmos page for more updates, more giveaways. We will be giving a lot of presets in the future, and use the hashtag Creators Cosmos to get featured. The purchase link for all the filters will be given in the description.